Hi guys, get ready with me. We're getting ready for a Zoom meeting. I'm starting off with YSL Skin Tint, the new skin tint. This is shade 9, I think. I'm blending this out with my hands. Yeah. So pretty. Okay, Persona Cosmetics sent me a PR box and they sent me like blush, contour sticks. I used this contour stick yesterday. So good. Oh my goodness. So this is shade Dune. What I did was just take some on a brush. I'm not a fan of like directly on the skin. And it just like made my skin look so freaking good. And the color, I love the color too. Like how amazing. I've never been into contour sticks. I don't know if that's just because I haven't like used the right ones. But this totally changed my mind. A little on the eyelids too. I just love this shade. It's so warm. It's perfect for fall. Look at this color blush. How insane is that? This is shade Bubble. I'm not using this today, but I used it yesterday. Really good too. Today I want to try the Westman Atelier blushes. I've seen so many reviews on these. Packaging, 10 out of 10. It's so heavy. It's so nice. This is magnetic too. This is shade Petal. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to apply it on a I'm going to apply it on a brush. So I went to the event for Westman Atelier and we saw Gucci apply these on a model. And she also uses a brush to apply these. Oh my god, that's stunning. Wow, that's insane. But yeah, so we just saw her using these products and she was just talking about her new serum. A really great event, but she slayed this collection. It's so good. Her brand is all about complexion and skin and just showing, like, emphasizing your natural features. And I think that's so cool and it's so right up my alley. While we're doing the cheeks, this is also her highlighter, which is also so amazing. Look at this shade. And it's in the shade Petal as well. How stunning. So these remind me of like the Makeup by Mario highlighters. These are not very shimmery, but they do give you that beautiful glow. And this also has a little bit of pigment in it. So it gives you I mean, that's stunning, but I love this. Just applied some Stay Beauty concealer under my eyes. Setting my face with the Charlotte Tilbury powder underneath my eyes. I'm using this brow microfiling pen to just kind of fill in my brows a little bit. I go through phases where I don't fill in my brows for months and then, I don't know, out of nowhere I'm like, I need to. Rare Beauty mascara. This is the Westman Atelier lip balm and that's the finished look.